Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first we would have had Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me we've got Kristey from Kreations by Kristey. Then Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art. Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Joanne from Joanne Ralston Art. Then we have, after Joanne, Tony, the hippie dippy painter man. So, stay on board and enjoy the ride. Okie dokie. So today, we're going to have a little bit of fun. So, I've got a 4-inch coaster there that is coated with British Paint's Low Sheen exterior paint, which is an outdoor house paint. It already comes black, so it doesn't have to be tinted, shaken up and full of bubbles when you get it home. It's already black out of the can. Right, let's put some colours down. We've got Senshi by Eye Candy Pigments, which is a gorgeous red. So we'll put some of that down. We will use some Skyline Blue, which is Eye Candy Pigments. They're all Eye Candy Pigments today. So alright, so there's that blue. We've got some Serene Purple. And we'll go some Azora Blue, which is a lighter blue than the Skyline one. Alrighty. Oh no, no pink. What? It's all good. Alright, so I'm going to do a swipe on that. And I'm going to use a playing card. Now, you don't have to use the 5 of diamond if you don't want to. You can use the 7 of hearts. It doesn't matter what it is, it's all good. Alright, so I'm going to use some gold CELL Activator. And we'll give that a swipe. So I'll put some of that down on my playing card. Now gold is really slow to react. But you get some cool effects. Okay, so that's the gold. Now we'll let that sink for a minute. Give it a move. Bit of a stretch. Maybe give it a little bit of a blow. Like that. Then what I'm going to do is grab my skewer and wreck it. Just to get some crazy patterns through it. Alright, we'll spin that one out. Now, gold cell activators are one of those things that are a bit of a pain in the bum. They'll either work or they won't. But this one seems to be pretty good. So we'll pop that one up. And that's got a load of bling in it. So what I'll do is, I'll do a little flyover of that, so you can actually see how it looks on camera, without all these other little lights going. It'll show the bling a bit better for you. And what I figured I would do for you guys is actually make some of that cell activator up, so you can actually see how I make it and what is in it, as a special treat. So I'll press pause here, and yeah, I'll make some and show you what it looks like. Okie dokie. So, to make our cell activator, what we are going to use is one of these little tubs, 1 teaspoon scoop. We're going to use eye candy, King Gold, some Atelier, which is the rich gold, and what else have we got here? Pebbio, iridescent gold. And we're going to mix it with Aussie Floetrol. So with your Aussie Floetrol, when you get that, give it a really good shake, because it separates in the container. So shake, shake, shake. All right. What we're going to do is grab our little cup there. Going to put 1 teaspoon of Floetrol into it. Don't spill it, wombat. Okay. 1 of those. Then King Gold. Pays to wear a mask if you're using pigments, because you don't want to breathe this in. So, going to add a scoop of that. Then we will mix that in to the Floetrol. Which gives us a really, really pretty gold to start with. That has a load of bling in it. So we mix that in, make sure there's no lumpy bits in it. Disperse all them pigments. Like that. Okay. Then what we're going to do is grab our Atelier and go 1/2 teaspoon. Put the lid back on it. Grab the Pebbio. Put that in the other half. Like that. So it's 50-50. Then we're going to scoop that into there. Like that. Then mix that in. Now it takes a little while for it to mix in, but it is worth it. So when you first start mixing it, it's going to look like cottage cheese. And then all the lumps and bumps will blend in and be lovely. It'll end up looking like a gold tube paste. Like that. So there's no lumpy bits in it. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is grab some more Floetrol. Another scoop of that. Another scoop of that. Now you can start with 3. Because you've already used 1 to disperse your pigments. We've just added 2 more in. So we're going to give that a mix. Now when I'm doing swipes, I like to leave it at, say, 3 to 1. For blooms, I'll usually go 3.5 to 4 to 1. And that seems to work out pretty well. So just mix that in, make sure it's thoroughly mixed in. You can't over mix it, so don't worry about it. The better mixed in it is, the better your CELL activator is going to be anyway. So then we end up with that. And that is how I make my gold CELL activator. So it works really well. Alright, so this is one I did earlier today. That was done at about 9 o'clock this morning. It's now about 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. And all the cells have held up really well. Well, the lacing. So holds up really good. So all it is those 3 ingredients plus your Floetrol. So you've got your Amsterdam, Atelier I mean, your Pebeo, 350, and your Kin Gold by Eye Candy. Alright, that is it from me today. Up next we've got Kristey from Kreations by Kristey. So if you're in the live chat, just follow the links that I'm putting in there. Otherwise, if you click on her name in the top of the title, that'll take you to her YouTube channel. If you've been in my group, all the links for the whole playlist will be there. So you can just click on one link and it'll play everybody that's on the train today. So how cool is that? If you like that, click like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. And that is it. Alright guys, if you got any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okie dokie. Have fun. Take care. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.